And आज मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी with Aiza Fatima, who is an award-winning filmmaker, an actor, a comedian, and a former Google engineer. It's good. It's very interesting. We're actually gonna hear about her story, how she actually, how does it work? You work at Google and then you come into arts. So we're actually going to speak to her about that. पहले मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूँगी about her. She's written and produced a lot of, critically acclaimed films. और अभी वो specially Americanish के लिए आई हैं, which has won about 25 awards at various film festivals. और ये jury awards मिले थे for best lead actress, best narrative और multiple audience awards मिले हैं, which means कि ये film हर जगह play हो चुकी है और ये globally release हुई है by Sony International in November 2023. She's made a lot of award-winning short films as well. Or currently, films available हैं on Alaskan Airlines and Roku, further showcasing her talent as a filmmaker as well. आज जब हम इनसे detail में बात करेंगे, तो we're actually going to see that the movie is being released on the 18th of April 2025. So वक्त कम है, बहुत जल्दी आने वाली है. It is distributed globally again by Sony International और ये बहुत ही एक heartwarming, romantic comedy movie है, जो कि एक पाकिस्तानी American women की नज़र से हम देख रहे हैं. I think I've really built it up enough for you. Let me introduce her to the show. Welcome, Aiza. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for coming. So, Aiza, let's get down to it. First, let's discuss the fact that how is it that you moved from Google into filmmaking?
It was a slow progression, but I think Google was such a इतनी creative environment थी कि वहाँ पे हर कोई ना जो है उन्होंने 3 किताबें लिखी हुई हैं, New York Times bestsellers, and now they're working at Google. Professional ballroom dancer, now working at Google. So yeah, it was very creative, and so it kind of gave me, gave me just the confidence to go out and pursue the thing I really wanted to do.
Amazing. So tell us about this movie. I love the trailer. I think it looks very, heartwarmingly connectable, very raw, and I believe you have raised an important issue as well. So tell us about it.
Yeah, no, I mean, I think हम लोग चाहते थे कि जो भी issues हैं, देखें, these are just, not just issues for Americans or Muslim women in America or Muslim women in general. I think these are relatable to anybody, right? कि आपको जो है familial, issues and pressures and the society के जो pressure होते हैं और आपकी job के जो pressure, ये क्या है, right? So this is what it is. That's the story.
So tell me something. What really inspired you to co-write this movie first, and how did you collaborate with Iman Zohri during this?
Yeah, I mean, so ये जो फिल्म बनी है ये एक actually one woman show से बनी है क्योंकि मेरा पूरा शुरू का background सारा theatre का है. तो मैं एक one person play कर रही थी जिसमें सिर्फ मैं 6 किरदार अदा करती हूँ. They range from a 6-year-old little girl to a 65-year-old woman.
Wow.
Yeah.
That must have been challenging.
It was so challenging and so fun, and that's a show I've been doing for a long time. And so Iman एक शो पे आई जो हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क में कर रहे थे. उसने देखा, we didn't know each other, और उसके बाद उसने मुझे अप्रोच किया, and she had done a bunch of short films at that point, and in fact one of them had won an Emmy award, and she had won a Princess Grace award. She's won all these awards for her shorts, and she had never done a feature. So she was like, hey, would you ever be interested in doing a feature? And so Iman is also Muslim, but not Pakistani. She is from Egypt. Her family's from Egypt, but she's American, of course, from the US. So yeah, I was like, yeah, let's do it, and we kind of went on this journey to make this film super independently. It's made outside of the studio systems, and it was lovely because that way we got to control the narrative we wanted to put out into the world.
How lovely. And do you think you were able to successfully put that narrative out?
I think absolutely, because look, I mean, this film is like, now it's everywhere, and I'm so thrilled that it's in Pakistan on April 18th, finally.
On April 18th.
On April 18th. It's releasing all over Pakistan. And it's something I never thought about. I never even thought it would happen.
Wow.
Because we're in America, we're so like American focused. It's so hard to make independent films, even there. And it's so hard to get them out into the world. So to make a film so independently and have it be picked up by Sony, it's unheard of because it's a big studio.
That is amazing, definitely.
It just, it all kind of came together. So we were so thrilled. And then when this opportunity came together with IMGC, who's distributing it all over Pakistan now, I just couldn't be more thrilled with it.
I can imagine. And it seems like you guys had a lot of fun while shooting the movie as well. Because, somehow when you look at a movie, when you look at some scenes, and you can feel the vibe and the energy. So what was the most challenging thing about having this movie, out in the market?
Everything.
Everything? Wow.
No, I'll tell you what, you know, early on I remember कि हम लोग ये इसकी script studios को भेज रहे थे, and from some of the studios and some of the execs and everybody, the feedback was कि oh पता नहीं, ये लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा insular सी story है, कि इसमें बहुत सारे क्या ब्राउन ख्वातीन हैं, इसको जरा डाइवर्सिफाई करो.
And in fact we see a lady from across the border as well.
We do.
Although I do like her as an actress a lot.
She's an amazing human.
She's an amazing. She looks it.
She's amazing, amazing human, amazing actor. It was so lovely.
How was
to work with her. Dream come true. Lillette was literally like, I'll sit on the floor and tilt my head next to the camera so Isa can have the view line.
Wow.
I just felt
So accommodating.
I'm so accommodating. So lovely.
Tell me a little about the storyline.
Yeah.
People who are watching, आप किस तरीके से movie की story explain कर सकती हो that would actually make them want to go and watch it on the 18th?
The story ये है कि दो बहनें हैं, ठीक है, एक बड़ी बहन है, एक छोटी बहन है, और you know उनके dad he left them when they were very little. So they've been raised by a single mom in Queens, New York, in the Jackson Heights area. If the audience is familiar with that. And the older sister is very much with it and together and is the breadwinner of the family. And she is trying to climb up this corporate ladder in a very male-dominated job.
Yeah.
That's really not built for her.
Okay.
Just like all the rest of us women in the world.
I was just trying to say that.
Just like in Pakistan, just like anywhere else. So that's sort of her story. Then the younger sister is still in college, and she's kind of trying to decide, you know, कि आगे क्या करना है. And this was very important to the film कि हम लोग एक ऐसा character दिखाएं जो मुसलमान लड़की है, young है, और she wears her hijab. She covers up as part of her activism and her feminism. Because America में जो है ना ये चीज़ बिल्कुल opposite है. वो लोग कहते हैं कि oh how could it be feminist to cover up? But in fact, in America, when women do it, when Muslim women do it, it is part of their activism and feminism. So we wanted to kind of flip that script.
So basically, then we blended into identity and culture.
All the things. Politics.
Politics.
Yeah.
So and have you picked up real stories and represented it just the same way?
100%. So all of these stories come from my one-woman play that I was telling you about earlier, and that was all interview based. So we took those stories, and 4 of the stories, so that play has 6 different character monologues in it.
Okay.
So we took the 4 monologues and then turned it into a feature film. So the mom character, you know, the mom also has her own story arc where a lot of like racism plays into that, and she learns something by the end of the story and has a big change.
Oh wow. So I'd love to see different characters and how they are actually built up in the storyline as well.
Yeah.
And so how does it end? Do you feel like as if you were able to deliver a message to a global audience?
Honestly, the film has played for so many diverse audiences, और definitely लगता है कि मुझे तो लगता है कि बहुत global है film, because हम लोगों ने उसको यूरोप में किया, अमेरिका में किया, पाकिस्तान में किया, I mean, and then it was on like 12, 13 different airlines, and I constantly get messages from people all over the world who are watching it, and they're like, we relate.
We relate.
Yeah.
And I love how you've picked up like a bunch of people who are actually, you know, like for instance, we have Layla, right?
Lillette Dubé.
Lillette.
Yes.
Yeah, we have her, and we have. Tell us about the cast as well. What were you thinking when you were casting these people? Were you thinking this will give me a better reach, or were you? No, because no. I mean, actually, shows do that, right?
It's a good point. No, we're so independent. हम लोग इतने grassroots हैं कि we were not. We were like, who's the best person for this character?
Acha.
And honestly, Lillette was somebody I've grown up with her and love her, you know, and watched all those Kal Ho Na Ho, wo sari films,
yes,
right, 90s and 2000s wali film. I mean, and then more recently, the best Exotic Marigold Hotel. She's done so much stuff.
Yeah, she has.
And so I'm a fan.
I'm sure.
So, मगर Lillette हमारे casting directors ने हम लोगों को recommend की थी.
अच्छा.
Yeah, we didn't know her. We didn't have an access in that way to her.
Yeah.
मगर, yeah. So.
And she was happy to be on board, though.
She was so happy to be on board. She really loves to work with first-time female directors.
How lovely for you.
She was really.
It must have been such an empowering feeling for you as well.
The whole cast coming together actually was. I mean, we have so many amazing people. You know, Godfrey, who's a really big comedian. Mo Amir, who has his own Netflix show right now, is in the film. And then all these like young up-and-coming, like Kapil is, you know, and Selena Qureshi, who plays my younger sister, is amazing in it.
Oh, nice.
And all the supporting cast is actors who are friends from New York.
How lovely. And do you actually have a sister in real life, a younger sister in real life?
I have a younger sister and I have an older sister.
So how lovely. So you're the middle child.
I'm the middle child.
How lovely. So, you know, do you think that the younger sister in the show or in the movie relates to your relationship with your younger sister? Does it?
Oh, absolutely. I
Yeah?
think 100%. Yeah. I mean, look, I think, look, even though this is based on real people and real
Yeah.
women in there, I think as a writer, you're always putting yourself in things, right? Your own experiences into things. So, yeah.
Yeah, your script is always a reflection of you, one way or another. One way or another. How lovely is that? So, you know, how does it feel to actually win multiple awards in multiple countries? You said you went to Europe,
Yeah.
and now you're going to Lahore.
And now we're going to Lahore after this. Yeah.
How has it been? I'm sure it's been a spin and a whirlwind for you.
It's been amazing. Honestly, it's been a dream come true. You know, here's the thing. आप अपने लिविंग रूम में बैठ के रात को लिख रहे होते हैं, दिन को लिख रहे हैं. You know, you never know कि ये कोई देखेगा, किसी को समझ भी आएगी. But it's really
लोगों को समझ आई? So have you actually sat in the audience and
Yes.
seen के लोग movie देख रहे हैं? वो feeling कैसी थी?
That's my favorite part. कि मैं
had a
ऑडियंस से
feeling
पीछे
you
चुपके
totally
से
looked-
बैठ के लोगों को देखूं कि लोगों की क्या रिएक्शन है.
You know, I could see that in you. You're such a Pisces. I could see you.
That's
wanting
the
to-
astrologer.
That's the astrologer. You want to know how the community is feeling about it as well. And अच्छा कैसे expressions? अगर कोई हंस रहा है या and you know, I think it's very important to see कि comic timing कैसी है.
Yes.
कि आप humor भी डाल रहे हैं मगर इतना sensitive issue है. आप culture and identity की बात कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
Honestly, जब oh my god, हम लोग इस फिल्म को इतने सालों एडिट कर करके देख के मैं थक गई. I was like, ये तो बिल्कुल ही पता नहीं क्या सड़ी हुई चीज है.
I can imagine.
So you can imagine, right? You're so sick of it.
Sick
So
of it.
the first time I watched it with an audience, I was like, oh, the film is funny. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I can
really.
imagine. But listen, do you feel like as if you were really hard on yourself?
Of course. Of course you're real. Of course, as an artist, I'm really hard on myself all the time. Of
And
course.
how do you handle criticism when someone comes and tells you कि नहीं यार ऐसा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर सकती?
You know, you listen because I think criticism, all those things, like there's always an opportunity to learn.
Of course.
कि आपने, okay, maybe they're not 100% right, मगर maybe वो 70% कुछ सही बात कह रहे हैं.
Not
so
bad.
Let's try to like understand how I can take that feedback.
How
and make
lovely
something
is
better.
that? So you're able to take that feedback really well.
You have to.
Acha, and what about the locations? They seem really amazing, and I love the fact that you said कि set वाला concept नहीं है और वो नजर आ रहा है movie में because you can see the warmth. वो मतलब you know the kitchen scene in which your sister's talking to you, I believe,
Yeah.
and the scene in which they're dancing, it all seems so warm and comfortable.
Yeah. So
How did you do that?
So okay, so first of all, I mean, I think New York City is a character in this, ठीक
Yeah.
है? और दूसरी बात ये है कि हम लोगों ने हमारी एक एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर हैं एन चौधरी, जो किचन वाले सीन, घर वाले सीन सारे उनके फैमिली के कज़न का घर था. हमने borrow किया. हमने कहा प्लीज़ अंकल आप क्रिसमस का टाइम है, सब लोग they were out of town, so we're like, can we have your house? We wanted something very authentic. We didn't have to dress it up. That's an actual house that a
House
Pakistani
lag raha
family
hai.
lives in.
Yeah.
Right? So, and from Lahore. It's a Pakistani family. Or
Wow.
Karachi. Maybe they're from Karachi. Sorry,
Okay.
not Lahore, but Karachi. But we were like, let's just do it, and we didn't have to dress it up much.
Wow, how lovely is that?
Yeah.
So उसमें मेहनत कम लगी और रौनक ज़्यादा अच्छी
मेहनत
depict
तो
हुई.
बहुत लगी.
मेहनत
मेहनत बहुत लगी. I mean, हर चीज़ में इसमें
Of
तो
course.
it's hard.